Picture yourself in the 2019 Chevrolet Traverse. This vehicle still has fewer than 35,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. The Chevrolet Traverse, the sleek and stylish midsize SUV that's loaded with creature comforts, smart cargo solutions, advanced safety features, and the capability to handle any adventure. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: fog lamps, Bluetooth connection, traction control, daytime running lights, cruise control, power windows, AM/FM stereo, power door locks, power steering. Life can be complicated. Why not drive a vehicle that's got your back? Get into the Traverse and exhale.